908 species in genus Asplenium. A deep dive into the world of Asplenium ferns. Ferns have always captivated me with their intricate foliage and air of ancient mystery. Among my favorites is the genus Asplenium, a diverse group of ferns commonly known as spleenworts. These fascinating plants belong to the Aspleniaceae family, boast a global presence, thriving in a variety of habitats, from tropical rainforests to temperate woodlands. Join me as I delve into the intriguing world of Asplenium, exploring their unique characteristics, diverse species, and the joys of cultivating them. What makes Asplenium unique? Asplenium ferns are easily distinguished by their characteristic features. Their fronds, often described as undivided, lack the intricate, feathery divisions found in many other fern species. Instead, they typically exhibit simple, lance-shaped or elongated forms, sometimes with wavy or lobed edges. This unique frond structure lends them a distinct elegance that sets them apart in the fern world. Another defining feature of Asplenium is the arrangement of their spores. These reproductive units are clustered in linear sori, found on the underside of the fronds. The sori are often elongated and arranged in a distinctive pattern that follows the veins of the frond. This pattern, unique to each species, serves as a valuable tool for identification. A diverse genus, exploring Asplenium species. The genus Asplenium boasts an impressive diversity, with an estimated 900 species spread across the globe. This remarkable variety ensures that there's an Asplenium fern for every fern enthusiast, regardless of their location or preferences. See full list at monsteraholic.com. My experience with Asplenium cultivation. My journey with Asplenium began with a single Asplenium nidus plant, gifted to me by a fellow fern enthusiast. Its vibrant green fronds and unique growth habit instantly captivated me, sparking a passion for these fascinating plants. Over time, my collection has grown to include several other Asplenium species, each with its own unique charm. I've found Asplenium ferns to be relatively easy to care for, provided their basic needs are met. They thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer consistently moist but well-drained soil. Regular misting helps to maintain the humidity they crave, especially in drier indoor environments. One of the most rewarding aspects of cultivating Asplenium is witnessing their growth and development. The unfurling of new fronds, with their delicate yet resilient structure, is a sight that never fails to amaze me. I also enjoy experimenting with different growing mediums and techniques, constantly learning and refining my approach to provide the best possible care for my ferns. The allure of Asplenium. The allure of Asplenium lies not only in their aesthetic appeal, but also in their resilience and adaptability. These ferns have evolved to thrive in a variety of challenging environments, from the humid depths of rainforests to the exposed surfaces of rocks and walls. Their ability to flourish in such diverse conditions speaks to their inherent strength and adaptability. Moreover, Asplenium ferns play a vital role in their respective ecosystems. As epiphytes, they contribute to the biodiversity of their host trees, providing habitat and food for a variety of insects and other small creatures. Their presence also helps to regulate moisture levels and nutrient cycling within the ecosystem. In conclusion, the genus Asplenium offers a fascinating glimpse into the diverse world of ferns. Their unique characteristics, varied species, and ease of cultivation make them a rewarding addition to any plant collection. Whether you're a seasoned fern enthusiast or a curious beginner, exploring the world of Asplenium is sure to be a journey filled with wonder and discovery.